Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to stop ads on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having pop-up ads, so let's see how can you stop them. So the very first thing, you have to open your settings and then go scroll down until you find privacy and security. And here you just have to look for the option of Apple advertising and you will get a setting of personalized ads. You just have to make sure that you have disabled that toggle. Once you have disabled, you just have to go back, then go for screen time, and here you have to look for content and privacy restrictions. Then go for the Apple advertising option, then select don't allow from here. Once you have selected, you just have to go back again, and it will help you block pop-up ads on your iPhone, or if you want to block ads in your browser, open apps, then scroll down and find Safari app from here. Once you get Safari, you just have to tap on it, then scroll down, and here you will get the option of block pop-ups. So you must have to enable this toggle. Once you have enabled, it will automatically block pop-up apps on your phone. So in this way, you can easily stop or block ads on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.